do 60 to 100 real quick? I don't know.
Shit, that nigga had me scared, but I held my own. Fuck that.
What the fuck?
To Montgomery.
Tell them
Come slide with us.
Tell them like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, and follow you. What's good, YouTube? We back with another one. I told you I got a special guest for y'all. Damn, I need to cut. But I got a special guest for y'all. We about to pull out. Got a special guest. I'm gonna let y'all to cut today. So let me just hold up. Yo, what up, my guy? Finna record a video real quick. Alright, we back, chat. Finna give y'all a quick cold start. Let me see. Quick cold start, man. I didn't even wash this car, man. It look dirty, like give me like little stuff right here, bro. I need to wash it. But y'all know how it is, gang. You feel me? Been a minute. Need to clean up for this, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I get back.
Okay, it's us.
Alright, chat, we back. Special guest on the way. But look, I don't know if y'all seen the interior. I ain't changed nothing yet, but I think we'll put blue seats in here, like blue guts to match this. Or should I strip this blue and put like a different color on here? But I don't want to do yellow because the car already yellow. Like I don't want to have yellow here, yellow here. I don't know. But I look, you want to finish with the last person started who had this car. So I don't know. I might keep this blue and then put like blue gut, like blue seats right here. And then I'm gonna change the steering wheel. I need like an LED steering wheel for real. And just in case, you know, gotta keep Pikachu with me. You feel me? All right, I think she coming, chat. Let me see. Oh, there she go right there. She had a Mustang. I ain't gonna lie. If y'all want her to make a YouTube page, tell her, and then you feel me? I'll tell her to make one. But yeah, she got a Mustang. It's hard. It might be a sleeper. I'm gonna let y'all hear it maybe one day.
It's for my nails.
I got it. You want to say hey to the vlog?
Hi.
Tell them your name.
My name is Nina. You can follow me at ZL1_SHHH.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it right there. You ready?
Yes.
Oh wait, I need to move it. All right, let's see. Let's go.
Oh shit, here we go.
Bro, it's tight over here. I don't never be on this side.
Ain't it though?
Yeah. Well, at least you can change your seats. I'm stuck over here.
You are. Who rides over there?
You gonna let me drive the Mustang next?
You want to drive the Mustang?
Yeah.
Because you let me drive your Corvette, I'll let you drive.
Oh, that's so nice.
I don't let nobody drive the Mustang.
I feel so honored.
So what are you doing tonight?
Just flowing the city, you feel me? What you doing today?
We are on the way to the Lee reunion at the Pavilion.
Boo. You didn't even go to Lee.
My folks went to Lee.
Hold on.
And I'm gonna be going with them. And then after that, we'll be going to XS. Pop a look, bitch.
Don't be saying all that. It's a kids friendly channel.
I'm so sorry.
Chad, tell us, Shanika, she gotta make a YouTube. She got a Mustang, and she about to get a ZL1. So she gotta make it on YouTube. Tell her, chat. I'm gonna put all her information. Y'all gotta DM her and tell her make a YouTube, all right?
I'll make a YouTube. Y'all gonna have to follow and subscribe.
Yeah. How I feel driving the Vette?
It feels great. It feels great. I want to go like 100 miles per hour.
Oh, the what?
I want to go 100 miles per hour.
Huh?
On the highway.
Well, I mean, it looks like we're in the time, you know.
We're on the time crunch right now.
Exactly. So maybe next time.
Maybe
Next time I let you hit the interstate. Maybe go 100, depending.
Next time, Chad, you'll see me again. There's going to be more videos to come.
What we getting back? Oh, we about to get on a. Well, we ain't gonna be there that long. Yeah. Let me see.
I am a safe driver. Fast, but safe.
I guess.
Because I know how I am in my car.
You can do 60 to 100 real quick. I was just playing. What the fuck?
I was gonna do it. It don't take much.
Yeah, it don't, but you scared.
Hello? I'm up the street. I'm like 4 minutes away. Gonna be 2. Huh? Alright.
See, there you go. You went
Oh,
100.
I was gonna say 100 was hit.
Yeah, 100 was it. You could have did about 120.
Yeah. That's what we was doing the hallway here when they caught me on the highway last night.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell them about the
Oh,
tell them about the race you won. Tell them about the race you won.
Slim caught me on the highway and I was already going about 90. He pulled up beside me, rolled his window down and said, show me what it could do. So I put it in track and I showed him what it did.
Exactly.
And I didn't gap him, but I was a little ahead of him.
Nah, you left him. He's slow. You feel me? He like
He's scary.
he is scared for real.
I said, who is this in this Benz with no tag?
Yeah, just like a nigga.
Slim ass.
Then you saw me last night.
Yes.
Crazy.
He was like, you might as well come to the meet. And I seen everybody there. I wasn't even supposed to be there. I made a side mission. I did a pit stop. All type of stuff. That's what happened when you get a fast car or you're in a car group and they just catch you.
That's it.
At the gas
They just catch you in
station,
traffic, and then now you gotta float with them. North Pass. All right, so driving the Chevy, you gonna change? You gonna get you a Chevy next?
I'm getting a Z01.
Okay.
Is that the same?
Yeah, it is. Type shit.
Yeah. So I'm getting a Z01 next, y'all.
What color?
I'm gonna come supercharged. I don't know what color. I went to go see one in Hoover, and
Or you can just go Vette and be like me.
I can afford a Vette, yes, but
You can go 06 Vette. You got the supercharger, and you know it's lower. Do you like the low car or
I do. I'm all for coupes. I don't like nobody riding with me.
type shit? Can we show them the Mustang?
We can show.
Oh, wait, we can show them the thing.
Mhm.
I actually about to move out here. These apartments nice. Are you about to bag in? You know how to bag in?
I mean, yeah. Because you don't have a back. Oh, you do.
I do. Hey, come on now.
Is that your rotors or your brakes?
I don't know. I'm gonna figure out later. Okay. W parking skills. And then my car the only one who does this. It's the screen right there. See?
I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of hard.
That's hard. It's like
It's kind of hard.
It's hard.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Like that's kind of hard.
It's like some James Bond type stuff. All right, turn it off.
All right, come on.
Oh no, leave it on because I'm about to go too.
Yeah.
But we finna show them your car.
Yeah.
All right, your car got a name?
I don't.
So,
It's just a pony right now.
your pony. What kind of wrap is this? Matte black or gloss?
Satin.
Satin.
Yep.
I fuck with it.
It's dirty right now, Trent. Don't
My car-
talk about me. I
my
just
car-
moved up to Huntsville. So not only do I have to find a new car group in Huntsville, but if I want to come back to the car crew here in Montgomery,
You always welcome, you know. And now
I
we know.
have to drive 2.5 hours.
And now we know your car. So
And we're here now, so it's, yeah.
that's it.
Come vote with us in Montgomery.
Tell them
Come slide with us.
Tell them like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, and follow you.
And follow me.
Again, what's up?
ZL1_SHHH.
Bet.
Yeah.